Hello, my name is Kian. Today I want to tell you about digestive system. The first there is the mouth to break down the food. Second, saliva regulates to produce saliva to break down food. Esophagus for help through the stomach. Liver to remove toxin from blood. Stomach to break down again, and stomach acid will active if there are bacteria. Pancreas to release hormone. Large intestine protects your body. Small intestine nutrient absorption happen. Appendix store good bacteria. Rectum is final part that connect large intestine. Anus final part of resolve. Reservoir. Thank you.